Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an aura that has click-through abilities. So you're going to go over here, we've uploaded trigger images, overlays, and channels, and learned how to make a basic aura in our last tutorials. So this one, we're going to go ahead and show you how to create just an aura that has a click-through. So we're going to go over and click Aura. After I click the auras, I'm going to go over here and add a new aura like before. Now again, I always go up here and start with aura details first. So I'll go ahead and put interactive aura, just to give you an example. And the trigger image we're going to go ahead and use is our district logo. And then you just pick whatever channel. So we're going to add it to test. Close that up. We're not going to add a time restriction to this. This is where I'm going to add my overlays. So I can go ahead and add a video. I'm going to go ahead and use our ISTI trailer that we go ahead and created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to initially hide this. So instead over here at fade in, I'm going to unclick that and I'm going to go with initially hidden. And then I'm going to add a second overlay. The second overlay or the click through is going to be our button. And what I'm going to do is you want that to be an image. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click our Eastover button. We'll use that one for my school. Now I want that button to be on top, so I'm going to go ahead and click the up arrow so that's in front, as you can see. And I'm going to make that smaller. And I'm going to put that right over here in the corner. Okay, so now what I want to do with this button is add an action. So I add the action, so now when this button or this part, this picture here is touched, we can have it load a URL, so I can have it take you to a website by typing in the web address. Or I can make it do lots of things. If it's tapped now, if I wanted to call somebody, I will type TEL and then go ahead and type a phone number. Just like that. So now when that is tapped, it would call whatever phone number I put in there. If I would like it to send a text to somebody, I put SMS and then the phone number. If I want it to text them. If I would like it to email somebody, I type mail to with no space, and then I would type the email address. Now when this button or this picture here is tapped, it would open up your email on your phone to email whatever email address you have here. And then again, if you just wanted to go to a simple URL, HTTP, and then type the web address. You can also make it to where if you double tap it, it does those things. And then you can make it to where if you tap this button, it gives it an action, the aura in action. So if that button is tapped, then it will start overlay number 2. And that is how you make click-throughs or interactive buttons on your aura. After that, you just click Save. And then remember, when we're done, you always have to check to see that if it came over here. Click to the next page. Interactive aura, the BHS logo on test. There it is. Hopefully this helps. And we'll add tutorials later on to do more exciting things.